All right, all the poles are connected, tightened. We're gonna move on to the mesh panels. It comes with 4 of the long mesh panels right here, and those will go in between the leg sections here. The short ones will go in between right here. So we have Velcro straps. The shorter ones are going to go on the bottom here. Long ones right here can just hang down after you get these bottom ones on. We're going to do it with each of the bottom ones. Once you have all the bottom ones connected, we're going to take these guys, lift it up there, and then we'll take strap there, this top one, and loop it around, and then it's going to connect on the bottom side there. Do that here as well. We'll move back down here. All right, we'll move on to the short one. Okay, once you get those panels up, you want to go around to the leg sections where the poles are. And I like to connect these 2 pieces right here. I'll go behind the pole and connect them. And you can do that with the 8 other locations.